In this video I'm going to show you how to get the Docs warehouse in Shadow 1. So what you need to do is head over to the real estate office, go inside, and there you will find the properties for sale list. So what we want to do, we want to buy the Docs warehouse, and once you are going inside you can talk to Ray. So after that you can select two options: to purchase a property or a business, and we would like to purchase a property. Select that. After that, select the Docs warehouse, and it will cost you 50k in cash. So make sure you've got that on your account, and after that select it, and now you have to pay the 50,000 to Ray. So pay the money, and after that you will go to the Docs warehouse. It is located all the way on the left. If you go down you will find this Docs warehouse, and as you can see we are going inside with the automatic door. You've got a container for all your trash, and once you go inside you've got two ways to go up. You've got a staircase on the left side and on the right side, and also in the middle. On the ground floor you will find some space behind the staircases, and once you go up you will find a platform over here with some room, and a little room, and after that another platform with places upstairs. And that is basically the Docs warehouse and how you can get it in Shadow 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!